Hello, my name is Sophia, and this is my little sister Nadia. We are going to show you some cool sneakers. Here are the Nike Dunk Pants. They are from 2004. They are very rare. And these are my sneakers. They are called Vape. They are made for the movie Ghostbusters. And I'm the whole. Okay. I have for the playground. Yeah. Now these are for the playground. They're still very rare. What do you like about these sneakers? Play.